May we call in announcements from different divisions and sections, ma'am, sir? At this juncture, may we request our Senior Superintendent Richie E. Fabre, sir?
Okay, thank you so much. Of course, for the father of BFP 10, Fire Chief Superintendent Romel C. Tradyo, sir, and the command group, my co-officers, my dear comrades, good morning. This matter is very important because it is always been reiterated by our RD to evaluate performance in the regional office personnel. So, in a certain song, there's certain line that the end is near. So this is the final evaluation of our performances. So, dapat i-download ang dapat i-download. Because sobra. Sabi ni RD, sobra talaga tayo sa regional office. What are those personnel who are useful in the regional office shall remain. So, for the admin, I would like to ask the final evaluation as what you have submitted to me weekly, the attendance and the report per week. So I have now the basis. So there must be a consolidation of the records. Consolidation of November and consolidation of December. This day is the final moment. This is the basis for the evaluation process. Now, in the attendance, you can put there for the month of November, may 3 columns para makita. Lahat ng pangalan para diretso. Kasi yung pinasa nyo sa akin, ako pang mag-isip ng marami doon. Mahirap yun. November, doon sa attendance, presence, absence, late. Ang 4th column niyan, yung demerit. Kuha. So, for November, again for December. Yun lang naman ang basis. So, what you have planted, you will really harvest it. So, as far as we are concerned, we have been given you instructions per directive of our regional director that as personnel of the regional office, in presence or in absence of the superior officers, everyone must go on with his or her own task. Mas maayo gani nga mas mo trabaho ka ug maayo kung wala ang imong superior officer, meaning you are responsible enough. So that's all. Thank you and good day to all of us. Have a fruitful week ahead of us.
Thank you, sir, for that reminder. Another announcement from Fire Senior Inspector Talines, ma'am.
Good morning, sirs. Good morning, everyone. So, in behalf of our Regional Director, Fire Chief Superintendent Romel Tradyo, I am inviting all the ORD personnel having kids later, 2 p.m., sir. Meron tayong children's Christmas party dito sa regional office. Ang 15 below. Sir, ang ano namin, sir, yung hanggat hindi pa nahihiya, pwede pa mag-join. Okay pa mag-join yung 15 above ba? As long as hindi pa sila nahihiyang mag-join ng Christmas party, okay lang. Kahit matanda na, basta batang isip, okay lang. So, marami tayong gagawin mamaya. Meron tayong Jollibee appearance, meron tayong full blast magic show, and syempre meron tayong gift giving. So our uniform later this afternoon, we will wear our BFP athletic uniform. So yun lang po. Good morning, sirs and ma'am. Madawat sa so meron kaming prepare na loot bags.
Ay, good morning, ma'ams and sirs. Base sa mga marites, no, kanang ang sure kay PI. And then, good news po, kay gi-announce mo dito, appeal ta sa PBB. As to when, magutan na pata. So, ang sure nga mabot ka ng duha. So, Maura, good morning.
Thank you, sir and ma'am, for that very high morale information. At this juncture, let us now sing with honor and pride the Bagong Pilipinas hymn, to be followed by BFP hymn.
Ito ay kinakailangan. Tayo na magtulong-tulong na pagundarin ang mahal natin.
Ayos ang mga dapat ayusin. Dapat na itutuloy.
that concludes our traditional Monday flag raising ceremony. This has been your host, FO2 April Princess May Katubig. Thank you and happy holidays, everyone. Merry Christmas, Ma'am and Sir.
Tapos na po ang seremonya ng pagbibigay ng pugay sa Kamansi Patawat ng Pilipinas. Hinihingi ng Pentro upang lansa naman.